Hi everybody, today I got the oh so sweet suite. Actually, I got upgraded or whatever to complimentary suite, and this is the living area. But when you enter, is like you got the restroom there, and then you just walk in. And there's this little sink area. There is a refrigerator, a small little refrigerator here. And there's a little sink area, and there is here, and the outside is wow, so pretty. The Easter egg bunny, the Easter egg had this complimentary suite for me here. And then I got this one, this beautiful view, and then the beautiful balcony that's right here. And today is a rainy day, but wow, so pretty. Even on a rainy day, look how pretty this place is. Wow. Wow. Definitely perfect for a breakfast in the room tomorrow. And then you can also access it here to the, I don't know if this will, okay, yeah. So this is another entrance or whatever from the balcony. I came to the bedroom, and look at that. So this is the bed. This is the whole entrance. Look at all around. I got this beautiful view. And then the bathroom obviously has this beautiful tub with this view, and looks like it's jetted. We got two sinks, and we got the stand-up shower and another restroom here. So it's amazing. So this place has two restrooms, and one at the entrance. It has a refrigerator. It has two TVs. It's awesome looking. Wow, so pretty.